Welcome to Hogback Observatory, Gallup, New Mexico. I'm doing these videos, I'm going to do a series of them because I purchased a Telestation 5 roll-off roof observatory from Pier-tech in Chicago. And I want to go ahead and document the assembly, the installation of this observatory. This is a 10 1/4 by 15 foot, and put it up on top of a two-story deck here. And what I found is that the paper instructions that come along with this are lacking. They don't go into a lot of detail, and I think omit some things. So I'm going to go ahead and do some video tutorials here on how to assemble one of these things, what it entails, some issues you might run into, and to fill in a lot of gaps that are in the paper instructions that come with it. And at the end, I'll do a video on what I feel about the whole process, also the quality of the actual observatory and everything else. Of course, as I say, it'll be a series of these, and then I will sum it up at the end, of course with my opinions, but also backed by the video showing what the process was. Be completely fair about it, the good, the bad, the ugly, and we'll go from there.